Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be braiding my natural hair and I'm going to be topping it off with beads. Okay, so with that said, let's jump right in. So here are the things I'm going to be using today. I have some hair clips, comb, DIY shea butter cream. I have edge tamer to tame down the baby hair and every flyaways that need to be tamed down. All right, so I've already stretched out my hair off camera, so right now I'm just going ahead to comb it out, and also first step, going ahead to section off my hair for the style. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair into three to start with. So I have the back and the middle section, which also connects with the front. So first thing first, I'm going to be working on the first section on the back. So going in with my shea butter cream, I'm going ahead to apply that on the hair before going ahead to start the process. So I've already did one braid off camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the method or something. Yeah, it's pretty easy. It's really nothing much to explain about this. It's just like sectioning off your hair and braiding it. Okay, so I've already applied the shea butter cream on the hair. So next I'm going in with the edge tamer and I'm applying that on the roots to help tame everything in place. So next I'm going in with a comb to comb it through before going ahead to do the flat braid. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up this very session of camera, as you can see right here. So now I'm moving on to the next session. So for some reason, my camera decided not to focus on this very clip. The camera just the vest. I don't know why the camera the vest for me. Maybe I don't to use them. So, but anyways, the next clip will be in focus. So yeah. So right here, it's on focus. After I don't press the camera tire. Oh yeah, like I said earlier, there's really nothing much to explain about this hairstyle. You just like section off your hair and braiding it, and then Okay, so moving on, I'm going ahead to divide this very section into two. So you can see right here before going ahead to braid it. So this part right here was a bit tricky because it's not like the regular position of braiding your hair. So you're braiding it forward instead of braiding it back. It's easy to braid it all the way back, like up back is easy. But when it comes to braiding it forward, it's a bit difficult, but I managed to figure it out. Hopefully you guys would too. But you just want to take your time, don't rush this very process right here. At this point right here, you don't want to rush it. Try all the technique that you know that you think might work for it and go for it. So it was a bit tricky. As you can see, I had to tip my neck a little bit, curve my arms, and but I did it. I did it. Okay, so doing the same thing, I'm going ahead to work on the last one on the front. So braiding your own hair is fun until you have to braid it towards the front. So that part of it is not that fun. So for this part, if you have a friend around that knows how to braid, you can definitely ask them to help you braid the front, or you can ask them to help you braid the entire hair. So that's one option that you can take. But if you don't have a friend around, you can just take your time trying to figure out how to braid the hair forward. Or you can do single braids in this case if you feel like this flat braid coming towards the front is too much of a hassle. You can do the single braid instead. Okay, so I've already did half of the front of camera, as you can see right here, creating the beautiful shape to frame my face. As you can see, my hair is way too long for this hairstyle, so I'm going to be doing some magic. Not really magic, it's just like folding the hair and making it to the length you want. All right, so I'm going to be applying the beads using the crochet hook. So just hook my hair and pass it through the hole on the bead. So next I'm gonna go in with the wooden beads and doing the same thing. I'm gonna pass it through just like that. So right here I'm going ahead to measure out the length I want, because I don't want it to cover my eyes, so I still want to be able to see. So now that I've figured that out, I'm going ahead to fold my hair over. So next I'm going to take the rubber band and wrap it around that spot to secure the hair in place. So I'm going to be wrapping my hair around the braid, the end of my hair around the braid, just a little bit. So next I'm going to take the crochet hook and pass the end of my braid through that first bead right there. Just hold on, taking that, and I'm going to pass it through. And next I'm going ahead to pull on it to push the bead all the way down to kind of close the gap. So next I'm going ahead to wrap the remaining hair around the braid again. Wrapping it upward. And then push the beads down just like that. Okay, so for the last one right here, I'm not going to be wrapping the ends around the braid. Instead, I'm using the crochet hook to hook the end of the braid and pulling it through the bead just like that, as you can see right there, and it's all done. Pretty easy, right? Right, except for the part where I had to braid my hair forward. So yeah, so this is the next day right here. Makeup all done to show you guys the final result, and I love it. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful, cute, and kind of easy summer braid hairstyle. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.